Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now today we got a little bit of a Happy Valentine's theme, and our marketing personnel, in particular Matt So, put together some Valentine cards here. I haven't seen these yet.
That's not good.
So I'm going to look at them and read them along with you. Falling for you would be easy if it wasn't for WireCrafters Rock Back. Pallet Rock backing panels. Oh, very cute. Okay, can I ask you a question? Why are you so beautiful? Oh,
Now that's funny.
Our love is like a WireCrafter panel. Sometimes solid, but sometimes a little meshy. Another little play on words here. Okay. Set the OSHA recordable injury clock back to 0 because I've fallen for you. I'm not sure about that one. We're going to move on. Our love is so bright that we need WireCrafters solid sheet metal partition to protect people's eyes.
You protect your eyes.
Did you fall from heaven? Because that could have been prevented with WireCrafters Rack Back, pallet rack backing panels. We seem to have a theme of rack back here. Nothing could cage my love for you, except maybe a WireCrafters driver access cage. Our love will be woven together, just like WireCrafters woven wire mesh. That's very nice. And the last one. Roses are red, violets are blue. Our custom colors will match any hue. Okay, so that's what we got.
It's finally over!
For Valentine's Day. So thank you, and I'll see you on another episode of Mondays with Milt.